Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cam on Amazon in 2026, you're in the right place. A good dash cam can provide valuable video evidence in case of an accident, unexpected incident, or even a hit and run. And with features like 4K recording, Sony Starvis 2 sensors, GPS, Wi-Fi, HDR, parking mode, and multiple cameras, today's dash cams are more advanced than ever. In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2026. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started with number 1. Number 1. REDTIGER F17 Elite 4K Dash Cam. First on our list is the REDTIGER F17 Elite 4K Dash Cam. This is a 3-channel dash cam system designed to provide front, rear, and interior coverage. The front camera records in 4K, while the rear camera records in 2.5K, and the interior camera records in 1080p. One of the biggest highlights is the use of Sony Starvis 2 image sensors, which are designed to deliver strong image quality in both daytime and low light conditions. The system also includes a 128GB memory card, GPS, HDR, voice control, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The full night color interior recording can be particularly useful for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants to monitor the inside of the vehicle. It also includes parking mode functionality for additional protection when your vehicle is parked. REDTIGER describes the F17 Elite as a 3-channel system with front, rear, and interior recording, while its parking features are designed for extended parked vehicle coverage. The REDTIGER F17 Elite is one of the most feature-packed models on this list. The 3-camera setup gives you much wider coverage than a basic front-facing dash cam. The combination of 4K front recording, 2.5K rear recording, Starvis 2 sensors, GPS, Wi-Fi, and interior recording makes it especially attractive for rideshare drivers and drivers who want comprehensive coverage. Pros: 4K front recording, 2.5K rear recording, 1080p interior camera, 3-channel coverage, Sony Starvis 2 image sensors, 128GB memory card included, full night color interior recording, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, HDR, parking mode. Cons: 3-camera installation requires more wiring, and more features can make setup more complicated than a basic dash cam. Overall, the REDTIGER F17 Elite is an excellent choice if you want maximum coverage and a large set of advanced features in one dashcam system. Number 2. BlackVue DR770X2. Coming in at number 2 is the BlackVue DR770X2. This dashcam features a front and rear camera setup, with both cameras recording in 1080p. It also comes with a 64GB memory card, giving you storage right out of the box. BlackVue is known for building dashcams with a strong focus on reliability, connected features, and practical vehicle monitoring. The front and rear configuration provides more coverage than a single camera system, helping you record what happens both in front and behind your vehicle. The BlackVue DR770X2 is a good option for drivers who prefer a dual-camera setup from an established dashcam brand. While it doesn't offer the 4K front resolution of some newer models on this list, 1080p front and rear recording can still provide useful footage for everyday driving. The included 64GB card also means you can start recording without immediately purchasing additional storage. Pros: front and rear cameras, 1080p front recording, 1080p rear recording, 64GB memory card included, dual camera coverage, established BlackVue ecosystem, good choice for everyday driving. Cons: lower resolution than the 4K models on this list, less detailed footage than newer high-resolution dashcams. If you prefer a reliable dual camera setup without needing 4K resolution, the BlackVue DR770X2 is worth considering. Number 3. BlackVue Elite 9. At number 3 is the BlackVue Elite 9. This is a premium front and rear dashcam system featuring 4K front recording and 2K rear recording. It also uses Sony Starvis 2 technology and supports HDR for improved image quality in challenging lighting conditions. The combination of 4K front video and 2K rear video gives you significantly more detail than a traditional 1080p dual camera system. The Starvis 2 sensors are particularly useful for low light recording, while HDR can help balance bright and dark areas in the scene. The BlackVue Elite 9 is aimed at drivers who want higher resolution footage without moving to a 3-camera setup. The 4K front camera is useful when you need detailed footage of road signs, vehicles, and other important details. The 2K rear camera also provides a higher level of detail than standard 1080p rear cameras. The Elite 9 also stands out for BlackVue's connected ecosystem. Current 2026 dashcam comparisons highlight the Elite 9's cloud-connected capabilities, including remote viewing and incident-related alerts when configured with the required connectivity. Pros: 4K front recording, 2K rear recording, Sony Starvis 2, HDR, front and rear coverage, 64GB memory card included, high-resolution video, advanced connected features. Cons: premium features can come at a higher cost, more advanced setup than basic dashcams. If you want a premium dual-camera dashcam with 4K front recording, 2K rear video, Starvis 2, HDR, and advanced connected features, the BlackVue Elite 9 is a strong choice. Number 4. Vantrue S1 Pro Max 4K plus 2.5K dashcam. Moving to number 4 is the Vantrue S1 Pro Max. This model offers a high-resolution front and rear recording setup, with 4K video in the front and 2.5K video at the rear. The combination gives you detailed footage from both directions, making it useful for everyday driving and accident documentation. The 4K front camera is designed to capture important details on the road, while the 2.5K rear camera provides stronger rear coverage than standard Full HD systems. Vantrue is also a well-known name in the dashcam market, with a range of cameras aimed at drivers looking for compact designs and advanced recording features. The S1 Pro Max is a good middle ground option for someone who wants high-resolution front and rear recording without moving to a 3-camera system. The 4K and 2.5K combination gives you strong image detail in both directions. It's especially suitable for drivers who want a straightforward dual-camera setup while still prioritizing video quality. Pros: 4K front recording, 2.5K rear recording, dual camera coverage, high-resolution footage, good option for everyday driving, strong front and rear detail. Cons: doesn't provide dedicated interior coverage. Additional features may require extra setup depending on configuration. The Vantrue S1 Pro Max is a solid choice for drivers who want high-resolution front and rear recording in a dual-camera system. And finally, at number 5 is the Pelsee P12 Pro Max 4K plus 2.5K mirror dashcam. This model combines a dashcam with a mirror-style design, giving you a different approach compared with traditional windshield-mounted dashcams. It features 4K front recording and 2.5K rear recording. Another major highlight is the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, which is designed to deliver detailed footage and improved low-light performance. The mirror-style design can also provide a larger viewing experience compared with many compact dashcam screens. The Pelsee P12 Pro Max is a good option if you want both high-resolution recording and a mirror-style dashboard setup. The 4K front camera can capture detailed road footage, while the 2.5K rear camera provides useful coverage behind the vehicle. The Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor is another important feature for drivers who care about image quality, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. Pros: 4K front recording, 2.5K rear recording, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678, mirror-style design, front and rear coverage, high-resolution video, improved low-light capability. Cons: mirror-style installation may take more time. Larger display design may not appeal to everyone. So, which dashcam should you choose? If you want the most comprehensive coverage, the REDTIGER F17 Elite is a great choice because it combines 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p interior recording with Starvis 2, GPS, Wi-Fi, voice control, HDR, and parking features.
If you prefer a premium dual camera system with 4K front and 2K rear recording, the BlackVue Elite 9 is worth considering. For a dual camera setup with 1080p front and 1080p rear recording, the BlackVue DR770X2 is a straightforward option. If high-resolution front and rear recording is your priority, the Vantrue S1 Pro Max offers a 4K plus 2.5K combination. And if you prefer a mirror-style dashcam with 4K front, 2.5K rear, and a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, the Pelsee P12 Pro Max is a strong alternative. Remember, when choosing a dashcam, don't look at only the resolution number. Night performance, sensor quality, parking mode, storage, installation, and reliability are also important. Current 2026 buying guides emphasize that night image quality and practical parking features can